Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm just gonna make some baked fish and, well, actually it's gonna be air fried fish along with some gumbo. I already made the gumbo, so this recipe for the gumbo will not be on here, but I will let you see what it looks like. Okay, it looks good. Okay, I'm just gonna add some pepper. I added a little salt and a little sugar. Actually, that was sugar-free sugar. So, okay, I'm gonna add some Old Bay seasoning on the fish. It smells so good, the seasoning. A little onion powder. That's, and a little garlic. So I'm gonna turn it over. And I'm gonna add some more Old Bay seasoning to it. And I will have the recipe in the description box, okay? Okay, that looks good. Okay, I'm gonna place it in the air fryer at 400 degrees for about, I would say it's about 6 minutes. Okay, this is what I use for the gumbo. I just added some more potatoes, white potatoes, and some more vegetables to this gumbo. Okay. It took about 10 minutes for the fish to bake in the air fryer, okay?